you how to hide your app and remove your app from your phone without uninstalling it, or you know just have to hide it for your privacy, maybe to keep it from your children or anybody. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So all you need is just I'm gonna show you. You need this three button. So all you have to do is just for you to drag it family, you drag it, let's put it there, you drag it family help. So you're gonna bring the desktop setting, this is what I'm talking about. Gonna bring that. When it brings out, you click on that, then it's gonna bring hide app. Click on hide app, gonna and put in your password or your password or whatever it is. Put in that, gonna bring add or remove app. Click on these, gonna click on these. Let me show you that. Gonna click on these. So click on this, gonna you know gonna bring it. Maybe you wanna add the browser or the calculator or the calendar or the camera or the Chrome, whichever one you wanna bring it out, or you wanna have your email, you wanna remove anyone, you're gonna put it there. So it's gonna bring all the six apps: the browser, the calendar, the camera, the Chrome, whichever you wanna have. It's gonna bring. So let's check. So there is the browser. The browser is no more here. It's supposed to be here. It's no more here. The calendar. The calendar is supposed to be somewhere here. The call after contact. There's supposed to be calendar, and yes, they are no more there. Sorry. So the same thing if you wanna bring it back. All you just have to do is to drag it one more time. Drag it up. Drag it family. Gonna bring the desktop setting again. You click that. Click on hide app. So you put in your pattern or your password or whatever it is. Then you remove. You wanna add or remove, you click on this. Then you can remove your camera, whichever one you wanna remove, you put it back. So when you won't find anyone here. You see, no hidden app. Then go back to the home button. So you can see all of them are back. The calendar is there now. The camera is there. The Chrome is there. The contact is there. The Chrome, everything is there right now. So I think this tutorial is quite useful for you too. You wanna hide your app. You wanna anything you wanna do with your app. Maybe you wanna keep it, or you wanna from your children, your spouse, or whoever you wanna keep your app from. If whichever app it is, you can use this simple tips to hide your app. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the red button. You can just click that red button right